Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. The topic that I choose is distribution-based clustering. Before I'm going to discuss my topic, I want to introduce myself. I'm Esterline Rafal from BEST IT 4B. So, what is distribution-based clustering? Distribution-based clustering, as a distance from distribution center increase, the probability that a point belongs to the distribution decreases. So it means that if the distributions from the center, it will become increase. And if the probability point belongs to the distribution, will become decrease. Distribution-based clustering creates and groups data points based on their likelihood of belonging to the same probability distribution in the data. So the function of distribution-based clustering is that to create and groups data points based on their likelihood of belonging to the same probability. So for example, this image, the darker colors are closer to the center of the distribution, and the bands show the density of probability that data belongs to the cluster. So, and then, as the distance to the center increases, the likelihood that the data belongs to the cluster will decrease. Distribution-based clustering is we have advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of distribution-based clustering has a vivid advantage over the proximity and centroid-based clustering methods in terms of flexibility, correctness, and shape of the clusters formed. The disadvantage of distribution-based clustering is prone to overfitting. So it means that have too many terms for the number of observation. Additional information about overfitting. Overfitting is a condition where a statistical model begins to describe the random error in the data rather than the relationship between variables. Distribution-based clustering is a pretty interesting technique. It basically looks at the probability that a particular point belongs to the cluster. So, that's all. Thank you. So, thank you so much for listening and watching this video. I hope you all learned something for this video or this report. God bless you all and thank you so much.